So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Rivian Automotive stock, ticker symbol RIVN in Canada on Questrade. So once Questrade's opened up, either go to the top right in the search icon here, or go to where it says buy and sell and press on that. Then at the top here, type in ticker symbol RIVN. Once it comes up here, it'll say Rivian Automotive Inc. Press on that. Then once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Now once you're here, you can either go to share quantity to type in the amount of shares or the dollar price right here. So for example, if you wanted to do $13 worth, for example, this is just a clear example here. Type in the dollar amount, go to the bottom, press on next, and then go through the process that way of confirming the stock purchase transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Rivian Automotive stock, ticker symbol RIVN in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.